Hey everybody, I've already kind of done all the rules of exponents, but what I wanted to do is I wanted to do kind of a hard problem to kind of give you an example of what to do when you have a problem that's a little bit more complex than just multiplying with the same base or, dividing with the same base. And so here I have some big quotients, so these are being divided, and then all that's raised to the fourth power. So there's many ways you can do this. There's kind of different steps. So one way to do it is just to simplify what's inside first. So simplify all this in here first, and then worry about this exponent. Okay, another way is to do the exponent first and then simplify. So first I'm gonna go ahead and simplify before. So I'm gonna take what's inside. Okay, notice there's a 2 up top, but there's nothing down here. So I'm just gonna leave the 2 up top. Okay, I have an x here and x to the third. So remember, when I'm dividing, so x to the first over x to the third, I subtract. What's 1 minus 3? Negative 2. Okay. And again, I'll kind of explain what we do from here because we don't want to keep negative exponents, but we'll deal with that later. So I dealt with the 2, I dealt with the x's. With the y's, notice I have a 3 exponent here and a 1 exponent here. So I subtract 3 minus 1, which is 2. And then I have a z on the bottom, so I'm just going to leave that z on the bottom. And I can't really do anything with it because there's no z on top. Now, I'm not finished yet with that, so I'm going to change colors here. Notice I have this x to the negative second. And if you remember what we said before with that, if we have a negative exponent, we can just throw it on the other side of that fraction line. So this really becomes 2y squared over, so that x squared comes down, and then we have z. Now I'm going to change colors. I don't like this green here. Let's do orange. So remember, we just simplify what's inside, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this and put that 4 here. Okay, so we've done the inside, we've simplified it, and now we're going to distribute that 4 to everything. So remember, this is 2 to the first power, and that's z to the first power. So this 4 multiplies by every single exponent. So what that becomes is 2 to the 4th, y to the 8th, because we multiply the 2 times the 4, over x to the 8th, z to the 4th. And then there's just one last step because we do know what 2 to the 4th power is. That's 16. Y to the 8th over x to the 8th, z to the 4th. And we can't do anything left or anything more because notice none of our bases are the same. We have a z here, x here, y here, so we can't do anything there because again they're not the same base. But that would be my final answer. We could have done it other ways. So the thing about a lot of these problems is it's not like there's one specific way to go about it. You could do it a different way and it will give you the same answer. So like I could have at the beginning distributed that 4 to all the exponents first and then simplified, and it would give me the same answer. So I just wanted to show you a more difficult one. Hopefully this helps, and again, if you have any more questions, just let me know.